Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can receive USDT in your Phantom wallet. Now what you're gonna need to do is scroll down and then look for Solana address. So Solana can receive USDT, so we're just going to click on Solana and then we go ahead and click on receive right here. And here you can copy your Solana address. So this address can receive USDT. So once you've done that, once you've copied it, you can head over to your wallet. And then in here, I am in my USDT wallet. So this can be on an exchange. Then you click on send. Now you can then enter the amount that you want to send or yeah. Now I don't have any USDT in my account, as you can see, but what I would do is I would paste in the address from Solana into the USDT address. And then with this address, you can then go ahead and confirm the transaction. But before you do that, make sure that you check everything, like the details, the amount, the wallet address, of course, because once you've sent it, there is no turning back. So if ever you have put in any letter in the address, then it wouldn't be sent to you, your receiver will never receive the amount of money that you've sent them. So once you're done with that, once you're done confirming the transaction, you will receive it inside your Phantom wallet. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!